Oh, Lisa. Za. What up? Pimp Daddy. What's up, motherfucker? Wonder if I'm gonna get age restricted now for saying that. That's in me being. That's a term between me and Pimp Daddy. That's a term of endearment. YouTube just doesn't understand. You know? Sly Fox. Brandy Allen. I'm the worst trader on these platform streets. Damn, look at gold. I don't even know if I want to trade now. Gold was fibbing around, and then I'm watching it now, and it just popped 240 ticks. I don't even know if I want to fuck with this. Oh boy, I really got to expand my time frame. Oh boy, oh shit, it just keeps going. Equal high from what day was this? From Sunday night. We just reached the high from when the market reopened Sunday and pumped. Like, it gapped up and just kept going for a little bit. It's 26 ticks away. It just got 26 ticks away from 4,700. You think it goes for it? I'll show you guys in a second. All right. I think it's going to. Pretty sure that's like another all-time high. All right. Hold up. Wait a minute. Wild J. What up, Jordan? Yeah, I think so too. So I guess I'm not going to trade. So I'll see you guys later. Peace. We'll keep an eye. We'll watch it and see what happens. We'll see what happens. I don't even let the DCA gang know that I'm on right now. You heard? Let the ladies know. All right. Damn. It's literally one tick off the high from Sunday night when the market reopened. You see, guys? Oh, look at this. Fucking green. Look at that. Fucking green. Oh, P. Did I say what's up to Brandy? I think I did say what's up to Brandy Allen. JW. Anthony, what's good? Look at that. Well, it's just day 4 on this 25K. Fuck, man. Is it really not going to get over that? Would they really do that? Kenny. Nah, P. But they say if you're not first, you're last. Coach HID in the place to be. So I did this today. These 5, I passed these 5 during my morning stream. It wasn't power hour because the market was closed. This shit dropped 20 ticks already. The market closed early, but I got these in. This is the only trade I took. I put them all in a group together, and we got the 31 ticks that I needed. And I don't even need all 5 of these because I already have 16 funded Apex accounts. So I'm going to only be able to activate 4, but Monday and Tuesday is the same, is one day. So that's why this hasn't updated yet. And this is the PA I traded. I'm not going to touch this anymore. I'm perfectly fine with $392 to make them holla. That's the second day with that. D's updated. D's updated. But I'll show you how I did with D's. I'll show you on my Twitter. My Twitter. Uh-oh, is it going to go? Is it going? I don't know. I'm not sure. It seems that way. That's weird. I got to see what my email says. Because I violated the scaling rule. Didn't do it on purpose. It was a fucking, first of all, Tradeovate fucked up, and then I fucked up because I forgot to fucking change something because Tradeovate fucked up. Let's see if they have any of this crazy language in mind. No, I don't have any of that shit. It just says that I violated it, and they can't approve my payout request because I violated the scaling violation. That's all it says. Is it doing it? Here it goes. That's it right there. 980. Don't tell me it's not going to push over this. It has. There we go. There it is. Is that a new all-time high? A new all-time high. We were just in this gigantic fucking bull flag. Look at that shit go. Oh my God. Did it hit it? Not yet. Did it not hit 4,700? 4699.4. Come on, hit that 4,700. Yeah, new all-time high. Nah, I don't think they're gonna take your profit. I don't think they're taking your profits away. I just think you got to just grow the account. You don't. I wouldn't go crazy with. Just go for like $150 every day. Let's see what spot's at. His spot, 46.93.50. Oh, 46.92.50. Silver. What did silver hit? 94. Silver almost hit $95 to make him holla. Oh, 20 ticks down. This shit, for me, the way what I like to look for, this is like a no-go zone for me. Although, and not just because it's like new all-time highs. I don't care about that. I needed to pull back. I needed to pull back and start fucking cucking around because that's, where I could start playing fib, moves and shit. White trash granny. Yeah, you're looking at him. Tony Gold, what up? You're looking at him. I took care of it. JK, what up? Hope you're still here, bro. I just saw you. Guitar guy. Yeah, why would you? Well, I'm just curious why you traded. I'm just curious why you grabbed the 100K. Did you already have like an active subscription for it or something? And you got rebuild, or you went out of your way to buy it? Amorpha T. I wish you would have asked the DGen fam first. That's why you got to join the Discord. If you're not in the Discord yet, chat. There's so many fucking. It's just awesome in there. It's such a great group of people, and we all, for the most part, genuinely want each other to win. But like you ask that type of question, like, hey, what do you think is the best? What do you think is the best size Apex account, a best size Apex eval? And a bunch of people will tell you. Here's the link to the Discord if you're not in there. And you could have just asked me. I would have told you. I always looked at the one. And listen, it doesn't mean you can't pass it and then take a PA, take the funded account to a payout. It doesn't mean you can't. I just think it's more. I always looked at that that particular account as a decoy because it's just the 50Ks are better and the 150Ks are better. Christine, what's up? Christine Ann. Yeah, isn't that funny how that happens? But now you're awake and it's gonna cuck around. You're not gonna be able to do anything. You know, that's how it always goes. PJ. Ill. P Shenanigan, you got option 2? Why? Because at the end of the day? Oh, yeah, guitar guy. More isn't always necessarily better. Because when you're trading a funded account, you're not going to be able to trade all of them anyway. Just, you got to look, you know what you got to go by? You got to go by like what your profit target is versus what the drawdown is. So on a 100K, the profit target to pass an eval is 6,000 and you only get $3,000 of drawdown. On a 50K, the profit target is half as much as 3,000 and you get 2,500 of drawdown. Honest Take, what up? Miss K, Martman. So I'm not going to touch any of these except for this one, 538. This is the one that had that pending request because it got fucked up and it finally got denied. So I didn't get approved for my payout request of $572. Perfectly fine by me. Now I'm going to grow this another fucking 1,438, 1,428 over the next 5 to 8 days. And I'm just going to request fucking 2,000. How about that? They did me a favor. You're good, guitar guy. It's fine, man. It's just one account. You're going to find that you're going to go through a bunch of accounts. It's just one account, bro. Just practice trading with it. Look for some good setups. And, you know, now you know. They were running a promotion recently where they kind of wanted as many people as possible on that account. They had some stupid promo for it, but that was it's the only time I ever seen anyone buying them. No one ever buys the 100Ks, but it's fine, bro. Don't even sweat it. It's just one account. Yeah, always, yeah. It's the worst. The 25Ks are good too, but what a lot of people isn't that what you mess with? Isn't that what you're doing with the take profit trade at 25Ks? I'll for whatever reason, $1,500 of drawdown isn't enough for a lot of people, but it's a great account. It's a great account. It seems like that way now. That's what's happening now. People are getting emails and they're just telling them to keep trading, which is fine. I don't see, they're basically saving you the trouble of requesting and getting denied and waiting days to get approved or denied or whatever. It makes sense. I think it's better that way. They send the fucking email and then you just keep going. So here's what I did with all of these accounts. Man, if you guys aren't following me on Twitter, it's fucking wild. It's 0 Day J on Twitter, on the Twitter. Here's my yeah. I'm such a dick. I can't help it. I can't help it sometimes. But this is what I did on all the other accounts. I hid my account balances just to fuck with people, certain specific people who like to hide their fucking account numbers, you know. But yeah, I can find it in the best community on these platform streets. I wanted to change my name. I wanted to change my display name in the best community on these platform streets, but what I want to change it to, it doesn't work. I need more characters. Don't ask. Oh, man. Oh, shit. I'm going to get age restricted by YouTube. I'm trying to find. Oh, man. I'm telling you, it's the best fucking community on these platform streets. All right, I'm close. I wanted to show you these accounts with their account numbers. All right, here we go. There. So I don't need to trade. I don't need to trade these until the Wednesday session. I'm not going to try to push these anymore. 51 to 53 is 5 days in. 520 to 525 is 4 days in. Yep. I just need another 130 bucks. 130 bucks minimum. And two $50 days. Two more $50 days, 130 bucks minimum, and then 2 flip days, and I can request again. But I'm probably just going to keep pushing them. And then 539 to 543. These are on day 3 since getting paid. These I'm working on my third payout. 538 just got denied, so now, and that's the only one I have left to trade. So that's where I'm at with those. And then you saw this. You saw this already. This is my other PA, and then I'm going to have, 17, 18, 19, 20, and then one left over just chilling. I really didn't want to have 5 funded accounts and well charts because I don't like trading in there all that much. But the $16.70 rebills came through, and I passed them. So what am I going to do? I can tell you one thing. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 less accounts that'll have subscriptions for $16.70, and that's sad. I don't trade NQ or MNQ. I'll trade MNQs if I got to get some flips in. I don't trade the NQ at all. What up, Justin Wright? Mwah! Sly Fox, very possible. Sometimes they let it slide. Sometimes they don't catch it. But I don't know. Just keep trading the account. Oh, there it is. 4,700. We did it, Joe. Now, for me to look for an opportunity with the fibs, there is nothing for me to do right now. I can't do shit. I can't trade how I trade until this shit pulls the fuck back, and it might keep going higher. It might go up another $5 to $10. No, the drawdown kicks in. Yeah, the drawdown works against you from your highest point. As soon as you start coming down from your highest point, it works against you. That's how intraday works. Yeah, gold is going fucking crazy. Look at this 4-hour candle. How many ticks is that? 704. 304 ticks in this 1 4-hour candle. I do not trade my funded accounts. I barely even trade evals with the NQ anymore. I haven't traded a funded account with the NQ, or I haven't traded the NQ on a funded account since like the beginning of November. And even then, I was barely doing it then. I pretty much just stopped trading the NQ with funded accounts in October. And once in a while, I would go back to it. And then in November, I didn't touch it. I haven't touched it since. Every once in a while, I would trade the NQ to pass evals, playing pass to smash. I rarely even do that. Rebby, what's up? Guys asleep, guys and gals are sleeping on gold. Fuck the NQ. The NQ is the biggest piece of shit. But you could get Fibs to work on it. Fibs work on it. Look. This high, this low. We wicked above the 786, but here we go, dropping. It's amazing. I don't even remember when I drew that shit. What the fuck is oh, Zcash. All right. Just wondering what crypto's doing. So yeah, so I don't know what I'm gonna do now. I can't trade this shit. I can't trade this shit all the way up here. Zah. It's like opening a can of worms, bro. Yeah, gold's like, I mean, I love it. I love gold. I love gold. Gold. Jesus. 46.95. So crazy. New all-time highs right now as we speak. This is gold spot. This is the spot price of gold. V33, ticker cat. I trade only gold? Yep. Correct. Once in a while, I'll play some pass to smash with the NQ. Hardly ever though. Not even now. I barely ever do. And then maybe I'll fucking, if I need to get some flips in, I'll do it with NQ micros. And the only other time I'll trade something like ZB is just to lose money on purpose. Yo, fuck the NQ, Coach HID. Tell me your life isn't so much better not trading the NQ. Oh, I did this today too. Look at that shit. Oh my God. I got in. No, I lost. That was when I lost money. And then I got this. That was my first trade. I got fucking stopped out. Why is this so fucking there? And then I did this. And then look how much higher it is. It's up 300 ticks from there. Too bad I didn't hold this because these don't have consistency. These are funded Lucid Flex accounts. No consistency with Lucid Flex on funded accounts. But if I don't trade this anymore, I'm perfectly fine with having a $287 day, considering I'm on my third day of $150 or more. I just need 2 more days of $150. How hard can it be? How hard can it be? And then I can request half of what's in here. I don't care what it is. Elevated Life, what up? So much better, Coach A. Hey, right, bro? Fuck the NQ. Ali, what up? Do I trade silver? No, but I own silver since like fucking $20 or $30 a fucking an ounce. Mikey, damn, bro. Just get honestly, bro. Honestly, dude, you got two $150 days in. What's my usual approach when I get over take profit trader buffers? Request down to the buffer and just keep trying to have green days over the buffer and to keep requesting. That's the goal. I'd say same thing with trade day. Same shit with trade day. By the way, both are 40% off with no activation fee with the best fucking code 0DayJ. I'm going to grab new trade day evals, but I'm going to trade those tomorrow for the stream. So I literally have nothing to trade right now. Look, see, it's going up more. 47.03. Oh my God. Get the fuck up there. 46.96. Especially since I don't really have anything to trade. I'm not trading any of my Apex accounts except for 538. But I'm not honestly, I wasn't expecting this to happen as I was fucking getting the stream ready, but I already fucking committed to it. So I might as well, at least we get to hang out, right, chat? Thanks, chat. I can say use the best code 0DayJ. I can just keep telling you to use my code because it's the best fucking code. Let's see what NQ's doing. Look at this fucking 707 bounce. Beautiful. 113 points. Watch this. 618. And is this the proper, the VWAP? Yep, the lower the VWAP band. Now, the thing about the fib is it's very fluid. If I use this low, we're at the 786 and the lower the VWAP band. It's not a bad place for a bounce. You got that nice little confluence there, but it might keep going down. So I'm more of on the conservative side when it comes to this shit. I would fucking put my order down here somewhere. Some here and some here on a funded account. If I were to be trading the NQ, but it looks like it's holding here at the lower the VWAP band. I talk about this one standard deviation off of the VWAP on each side seems to be a nice little spot that gold likes to bounce off of or reject. And a lot of times it's got a fucking key level on the fib right on it with it. I see it because I stare at this shit. All I trade is gold. I fucking notice things that happen. But well, this is the NQ. I'm just saying, what I meant to say was watching the fibs. It doesn't matter what the symbol is. The same type of shit happens. Watching the fibs, man. Drawing fibs on charts, I notice a lot of things that happen. But gold in particular, you'll get a lot of bounces and rejections off the upper and lower the VWAP bands. But right now, there's nothing I can do here. I mean, what the fuck? It's just going to keep going up for a little while. So what I needed to do is like finish going up and then pull back, and then start doing its fib thing. Right now, there's like we're fucked. Unless you're a trend trader. If you're a trend trader, if you like trading the trend, I mean, this is like right up your alley. What needs to happen now is I need to draw a fucking tan line. From where though? From where? That's the $1 million question. Like that, maybe that, and maybe this. No, that's a fucking fib. like that. I don't fucking know. It's hard right now. That's what she said. That's what she said. That's not even the right spot on the larger time frame. A lot of room for it to come back and bounce off. I don't know. You could also do it like this, even though you got this wick here. But you really want to do it from the wick, because that shit's wickety, wickety, wickety whack. So, I mean, yeah, it's going to be a little while before it fucking breaks this shit. Bobby Digital. Yeah, I mean, it just fucking pumped and made new all-time highs. Did I ask any other streamers about transparent? No. You guys can though. I put that energy out there. The energy's out there now. I hope more people ask. You know what I'm saying, Mikey? But so Mikey, I wanted to talk to you about your account. Are you planning on just getting $150 the next 3 days? Because that's all you need to do. What size account is it? Is it a 50K account, Mikey? Marcine, where the fuck have you been, bro? Ash, what up? Work less, earn more. My gold trading strategy. Oh, Steph, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? I guess my way in and I guess my way out. That's what my gold trading strategy is. Corey, what up? Ah, I see, Marcine. I get it, bro. I respect it. Yeah, your brother. Tell your brother I said what's up. Yeah. Silver's crazy, though. I don't fuck with silver. I just look at it. Steph, I'll tell you in a second what my strategy is. I mean, you've seen me. If you've been watching me trade, and I know you've been on my streams a lot in the last couple of months, right? The last few months, all I do is look for opportunities for a Fibonacci retracement, bounce, or rejection. You're in gold longs from 45.70. Great fucking job. The new Bobby Axelrod. Fluidity. Hell yeah, bro. That's a solid trade. I'm more of a scalper, so I end up I let myself I trail so tight, I get shaken out of a lot of fucking banger trades. But all I do is play the fibs. The rejections off the 707 or 786 and bounces off the 707 or 786 or both. I'll just add. Doomlord, what up? Marco. Dude, that's crazy, Mikey. You don't need to grow it anymore, though. You know that, right? Just get your fucking 3 $150 days. But one thing I would recommend, look for opportunities where you could get a lot more, right? So you're not just trying to squeeze out $150 on some bullshit that isn't really good setups. I've made that mistake in the past too. Just trying to get that fucking 150 or whatever the minimum I needed. Do it on a good setup, but just be happy with 150 because that's all you need, bro. 3 more days of $150 or more. How hard can it be? And you can request 2,000. PJ. Hell yeah. Hey, you got it in without anybody saying anything. Hell yeah. He's telling everybody what the best fucking code is in the world on these prop firm streets for sure. Hey, anybody here? I posted a video. If you missed it, I posted a video where I do the math on how much I spent total in Apex Trader funding accounts and how much I made. So I basically gave you my P&L from day one. Day one was October 16th, 2023 till now. And then I put things into perspective how I've done in the last couple of months. And you'll notice a difference. I'll post a link in here. Mikey's been my risk manager. You don't even need to manage my risk anymore, pal. Yeah, how's that for transparency? Put that in your transparency pipe and smoke it. Oh, Manuel, what up, man? Thanks for watching it, bro. I'm gonna drop it in here. It's a fucking good video. You know? If you want to get through it quicker, you could put it on like 1.5x or 2x. But it's definitely something worth watching if you want to see the real side of how shit works on prop firms sometimes for some people like me. It wasn't that easy for me. It took me forever to fucking do it. It wasn't until the last batch of payouts I got that I pushed myself finally paying off my fucking tuition with Apex and being green overall. Fuck, I just gave it away. Whatever. Most of you guys know. Yeah, here it is. Here it is. I'm pinning the message. Oh, I should. Yeah, here. Hold on. That's the link. I gotta fucking. You know what I gotta do? My P&L, my Apex P&L. A breakdown. Boom. Hi, Rohn, what up? What up? I don't know about that. Where? Thank you, Iron. Thank you. Yeah, V33. Yeah, man. What's the beef between? I don't have a beef with him. I just asked him a simple question. Hey, what are the accounts numbers? What account numbers are those PAs up to? I noticed that they got cut off when you were trying to fit everything in the screenshot, and he blocked me. Instead of just saying what they were, he blocked me. So then I fucking made a post about it. Fuck that guy. I don't give a fuck about him. Guess what? Did he say what account numbers he was up to today? I heard he did. Mission accomplished. Hey, it's just a simple fucking question. Just like when I asked fucking Dakota what the balance was in his fucking live account because he tweeted, "Oh, I'm green 30 days in a row," and he shows one green day with all the fucking balance asterisked out. And instead of fucking just saying what it is, being transparent because he's a fucking coach at Top Step, he's on the payroll. He just fucking resorted to insults and started coming at me about my education and shit. Did he like look up my fucking transcripts? I don't get it. Blues. Exactly. That's why I said I was rooting for him to get his first payout. And that's fine. Just own it. Just own it. And then people ran to his defense. Oh, he just fucks around. He just fucking gambles with funded accounts. I mean, he just gambles with prop firm accounts when, he doesn't like the market conditions for his personal accounts. I don't give a fuck. You call yourself a professional day trader and educator. What kind of example are you setting? And you say you're transparent by not fucking showing your shit and just explain and just saying, oh, I'm just gambling because I don't like the market conditions. People are actually following you into your fucking trades. Be a little bit more responsible. Hell no. I can tell you one thing. I'm pretty sure I am no longer invited to poker night. I don't care though. I don't like whatever. He probably fucking looked down on me anyway. Let's be real. He probably looked down on me anyway. Kind of like that fucking jerk off from Canada called me white trash and a loser. Fuck everybody. Anyone who has some fucking shit to say about me, they could go fuck themselves. Shaman, what up? Yeah, that's never gonna happen. V33. I'm never going to Florida. Nobody, P. Some other Canadian got mad at me because I brought their name up for fucking promoting every fucking prop firm that fucking rolls out. And then when Thrive went under 35 days later, it got wiped off their fucking entire fucking, internet fucking, their entire internet fucking portfolio. DCA gang, what up? Nah, he doesn't have a Lambo. He's on his third Ferrari, and God bless him. I think that's great what he's been able to accomplish. I do. I'm not hating on that. I think it's great. To me, it's just a little obnoxious, but I don't care about that. That's him. But show your fucking account numbers, especially with Apex, because it goes up in order. That's all. It's not that big of a deal. He's not the only one that does it. I just, when people fucking say shit to me about how many PAs I'm up to, I'm like, fucking ask fucking Brian Stonks what he's up to. Mr. I lump my affiliate commissions in with my payouts and say, great month of trading. So whatever. I don't have beef. People just don't like when I ask questions. That's all. Gold is just, I don't know. Gold is just going to keep fucking going up. For now. We need this shit to break this shit. And I don't know if as much as I want to trade, I'm not fucking touching this shit. Listen, just because I'm not going to get into a trade here doesn't mean I'm not trading. The trade I'm in right now is being flat. I am actively trading right now. I'm flat. I'm waiting. You don't have to be in a position to be trading. Doomlord, no, of course not. Hey, can you show your balance? Why don't you show your balance? What's your balance? Oh, thank you. I appreciate. Oh, it's DCA LeConte. What up, man? Thank you. I appreciate it. Nah, yeah. Whatever. I need more haters, but I don't care about. I'm not sweating. I see shit. I find things interesting and I talk about it. That's all. Yeah, they don't want to get kicked off the stream. They want to be able to fucking engage in the chat. Or it's not about being a troll. It's just, hey, it's a legitimate question. What PA are you up to? Is it that big of a deal? How many evals have you gone through? And if you just showed your account numbers, everybody would know. You wouldn't even have to answer the question. Just show your account numbers, and then it wouldn't be a fucking mystery. Yeah, bro. Check out my broker statement. So quick to show that shit, but can't just show what account numbers you're up to in Apex, right, Kaif? You know, it's cool, man. I don't know, whatever. I wish him nothing but the best. I don't have anything against him. It was just a simple question, and I was, you know, and I knew he was gonna block me instead of just answering the fucking question. So I fucking brought a little attention to it. Romeo. Doomlord, you mean like Brett Simba, the guy who started Trade Iffy? And fucking Jay Dunn, the guy who started fucking family members' futures? Yo, Brett used to show, he used to show a prop firm account like Apex fucking gains and be like, yo, look what I did today trading futures, killed it today. And then a couple of people started picking up on it and started calling him out saying, that's just a fucking prop firm. That you didn't do that with real money. Mr. Option Signals. That was back in the day. Trade Iffy's not a bad prop firm, though. I'm not shitting on Trade Iffy. Yep. Wall Street Wolves NFT. Anybody buy one of those Wall Street Wolves NFTs? Damn, this shit. I mean, fuck me. I could even fucking move this over this way. Nope. Shit. I fucked it up. That's not in a bad spot, actually. You know what? This is fine where it is. They don't wipe the profits out if you violate the 30% drawdown rule. Yeah, no, I mean, I was in it. I was paying for that shit too. I actually learned my first exposure to the Fibonacci retracement was from Brett. And then I dove a little deeper into it when I learned about a guy named Trading Wars, Rich from Trading Wars, where he's like, you see guys. Yes, I bet. Because it still boils down to execution. They could have been good call outs, but if you don't know when to fucking sell or you're late on the entry, you get in too late or you get out or you fucking get stuck in the trade. Oh, absolutely. But it's all based on the execution and the timing. No doubt, Doomlord. See, now it's getting a little interesting. It's starting to work its way down to this fucking trend line. But I'm way zoomed out on this. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, that's, even though, like, fuck, man. That's like 70 ticks away from this trend line. I mean, I don't know if that's appropriate. I'm cheating if I do that. It's really like right here. Here we go. Now is it going to bounce off of this trend line? I'm sorry, this tan line. Coach HID, I don't know, man. I was thinking either I charge Jade Cap numbers, right? And then when you guys ask me the same question for the third time or fourth time, but it's a different person who asked the same question, I'm still going to lash out at you because I'm just annoyed with getting asked the same questions. But $8,000, please. Or I was thinking of going that route or a Tory Tanline's route, $1,000, right? Or the PW route, $200. You tell me how much you want to pay. I don't know. I don't know if we're getting a Michael. What's up, man? I know, bro. I might wake up. I might not be able to trade this shit till tomorrow. Ticker cat. Yeah, it's fucking. I don't know. It's tough though. You don't want. It's like trying to buying the all-time high. Like, look, you might have chased that. What if you know how many? I guarantee you know how many fucking people just now. Look, look where we bounced. Like right on the fucking trend line, basically, that I drew here. Look, it's like right on it, and we bounced. You know how many people like, oh shit, we're rolling over, right? We're rolling over, and then they fucking bought here, short, or even down here. What if we keep going higher? It's almost like trying to catch a falling knife in the other direction, right? How many times have you tried to catch a falling knife when something's dumping and it just keeps going? You think it's going to bounce there. It looks like it might, and it just drops even fucking lower. That's what all-time highs are like too. It's not as fast and furious though, as you can see. It's just slow. It's just steady grinding up. DCA LeConte. We got tan lines over here, not trend lines. Okay, pal. DJ and Trader, what up? Tory Trade's Uncle Way. Platinum, huh? Spartan Nick. What got me into trading originally? Fucking Cove is the one who got me into trading years ago. It's his fault. Oh yeah, trying to catch because if you're right, catching that falling knife, and it fucking bounces like you catch the bottom, it's a monster fucking move. $200 each strat. It might come back down. Like, look, it's a very short time frame, but look. You see, guys, hold on. So you got this high, the high of day, all-time high, this low, and look, we rejected off the 707. Came down here. Now it's at the 707. Now, does it keep going down? I don't know. It's such a very short time frame, and we're at all-time highs. So it's really fucking tricky. But look, I've seen this short amount of time, I've seen it fucking reject pretty hard. Rebbe, NQ. Yo, first ever Apex payouts. Fuck yeah, bro. Good shit, Quincy. Congratulations. But hey, everybody pound that confetti like roast beef. Quincy just got their first Apex payouts. First ever prop firm payouts or just first Apex payouts? Either way, it's still fucking huge. It's 3 to 7 business days from when they send the payment sent email. So if they sent it to you today or yesterday, you could probably expect your money Friday or Monday. Look, see, the 707's holding right now. I don't want to trade this shit, though. I'm scared. Let's look at the, oh shit. DBT. So here's where we're at. We bounce off the 6-1. Oh, this fucking held. You see, guys? You see, guys? This shit went up 40 fucking points, 40 something points, right? 45 points, 43 points. I'm gonna draw a happy little Fibonacci from the low to maybe this high. This looks like a decent spot for a high, or the high a day, just to be conservative. And look where the 707 is, at the upper of the VWAP band. I would put an order here if I was trading the NQ for a possible scalp in the reverse direction, and I would have another one here because these are close enough together that I would fucking do that. This isn't a bad spot for a potential scalp opportunity. Just make sure you have stops in place. It's not always going to work perfectly. Actually, this is a little higher than the high, so that could throw you off a little bit. There we go. Oh, wait. Right here. Let's see what gold's doing. You see that? Look at gold. Oh, it fell. Look, it dropped out of the fucking trend, out of the tan line. Look at that shit. 59. It dropped 59 ticks, and then it fucking just bounced right away. But look, it dropped 59 ticks off that 707. Yeah, fucking gold. It might make new all-time highs now. But that was a good opportunity right there. I don't need to trade this shit right now. If I thought it was, imagine I thought, it's going to keep going down, and then I get caught in this fucking bounce, I'd be so pissed. There it goes. Watch. It's going to go higher. Is it going to hold here? Wow. It retested the all-time high. Stacks, what up? Yo, Rebby. Oh, yeah, Michael E., definitely. Oh. Who is that? Hey, it's my crotch. What up? Let's see. Did the NQ get up here? I mean, I'm treating this as the high that I'm going by. Sometimes, it might not respect that. It might not want to base it off that high yet. So like right now we're at the 707 based off of this high. But I just have this feeling that it's going to want to touch this the upper of the VWAP band. Maybe. I mean, maybe it doesn't get up that far. I think it will eventually. I don't know what's going on. Like, is any news or anything? Let's see. Forex Factory, any type of fucking data? Any data? What's today? Monday night? Tuesday? Oh, in 1.5 hours, you got unemployment rate or unemployment numbers with the UK. Oh, we got the World Economic Forum. Those piece of shits talking about how they're gonna feed us bugs and they're gonna eat fucking steak and lobster. You got the governor, basically the jerk off Jerome of the UK, Bank of England. That fucking clown. Some shit here. I don't even know what the fuck that is. Let's see what Financial Juice has. Anything? Oh, we'll wait for that to load. Look at fucking. Oh, gold went up. Oh my god. Gold spot went up to 47.0240. Oh my god. You see, guys? I told all my friends to buy fucking gold when it was under 2,000 and buy silver when it was in the 20s. They all laughed at me. They all fucking laughed at me, except for one guy. And I told my one of my boys reached out to me and said, "Hey, do you think I should buy gold where it's at here?" I was like, "Yeah," and he didn't. And that was fucking $80 ago or $70 ago. What an idiot. What an idiot. Oh my god. Silver's about to make new all-time highs too. $47.11. Look what just happened. Oh, we missed it. I wasn't watching, but look what just happened. It fucking dropped at 59 ticks, and then it fucking bounced 116. Yo, careful, guys. You know how many people fucking got in gold, chased down here, and got their shit pushed in just now? Broke that fucking tan line ever so slightly and then bounced right off of it. Where the fuck is my tan line? Hold on. Here we go. Look, it bounced right off of it. It came back to it. You see, guys? Came down to it and bounced hard. That's not really my style of trading, so I just watched it happen. You see, guys? What is silver doing? Here's the all-time high right here. It looks like. Yep. Yep. Just miss hitting it. Let's see. I mean, if I was to draw a fib there, you see, guys, I think we're over the 786 at this point from this low to that high right there. Yeah. But look what happened here. You had an opportunity right here to play the pullback, a little bit of a pullback for a scalp. That's fine. And it retested the upper of the VWAP band. And now it's going. Now it might want to push for a new all-time high on silver too. Fuck it. Let's just keep going up. Now let's keep looking at gold. This shit is untradeable for me. This was like the one opportunity right there. That fib, that retracement, that 707 rejection. That was like the one opportunity, and I didn't take it, and I'm fine with it because fortunately I traded every fucking account I have Sunday night going into Monday, in terms of Apex at least. But I got my flip day in on this Take Profit Trader account, so I got my fourth day in with that. I need one more flip day, and then I could have a funded 25K. And then this is my funded Lucid Flex accounts. They're on day 3. I might try to get more. I don't know. I might just leave it. All I want to trade tonight, honestly, all I want to trade is 538 because I just got denied the payout request, and I want to start working this account up further. But I don't know. I'm not fucking around with this shit when it's doing this shit. Muravsky. Yeah, motherfucker. I guarantee you someone somewhere was like, oh yeah, it's gonna drop, and they fucking got in right here. And they're probably still holding. Now, if they're trading a prop firm account, let's just hope they have enough fucking drawdown to withstand however far up it's gonna go before it does ultimately pull back. $47.10? Yeah, I mean, I don't know. It might. No showing tan lines. You told your friend to buy crypto now, Rebby. You're hiding from them. You've been making more cash in Kalshi than fucking props. That's crazy. That's like straight up gambling, obviously. But hey, whatever's getting you money, right? I just feel like I just feel like figuring out the prop firm game can be very lucrative. And you're learning how to trade. You're learning how to manage risk. You could apply it in real life trading scenarios. Yeah, just tell them the DCA. Tell them to just buy the dip. How hard? You tell them how hard can it be? Crypto could, yeah. If they shut the fucking if they turn the internet off on us, crypto be worthless. Or the power. If they just cut power on everybody, or you know how they blew up the Nord Stream pipeline on purpose. You know how like the Ukraine blew that shit up and blamed it on someone else, or the U.S. did it and blamed it on someone else. What if they did that to the underground wires that run all over the world to keep us connected by the internet? What if they did that? Then your fucking Bitcoin would be worth nothing, especially if they never put it back together. Yes. You put 10K on us owning Greenland, you're fucking wild, bro. You could bet on anything with that shit. It's so fucking crazy. Where's the NQ at? I guess it decided to hold here. Look at that. So maybe this wasn't, I mean, that's the 618. I don't play the 618. But if you go by this high, which is what I said in the beginning, but then decided to go by the higher high, 707. And look where, let me get rid of this. Like if you're trading micros and you want to fucking take a play on the 618 rejection or bounce, I would go in small there and then add at the 707 or 786. But look, 786. From this high, this low, this most recent low to this high that we just rejected off of. 786, does it keep going up? Does it bounce here? Or does it go lower and then you expand to the next level? That's all I fucking do. That's all I do when I'm trading. You're gonna get the Greenland map right here. Oh man. Tory trades is shorting gold. Oh, 5K gold for sure. 5K gold is inevitable. It's not a matter of if, it's just a matter of when. Same thing, like I really think that fucking silver's gonna go at least to 150 this year. Jinzo, what up? There you go, another new high. Another new high. You see, guys? You see? Oh my god. Fuck, I'm tired. Dude, I got a 100 ounce. I have a 100 ounce fucking. I got a 100 ounce bar of fucking copper at the house. Actually, no, it fell out of my boat in the lake. Sorry, my bad, guys. Just ain't right. Peace. Mwah. Yeah, I mean, what on gold? My crotch? Yeah, I wouldn't be fucking around right now. Unless you're fucking in long, but I don't know. There's nothing wrong with being flat and just waiting for something waiting for the opportunity. Like what do you usually look for? What's like your optimal setup? That's the biggest thing. Like, if you have an optimal setup that you make, yeah. So if that's not happening, Stacks, then are you forcing trades? Yeah, that's the high reward, low risk. Yeah. Whatever, like if what's going on right now isn't your optimal setup, and this is not towards anyone directly. This is towards anyone. This is towards everyone, right? If this isn't what you look for when you're trading, this isn't it. Then just don't fucking trade. Momentum and bear bull flags, yeah. So we just broke out of a bull flag. But I feel like I mean, this shit could keep going up, but I just think it's too stretched to the upside for it to chase now. Why would you chase? But I wouldn't go short either. I would just chill. And that, this was the one opportunity to play this bounce off of the trend line and then have a stop down here somewhere in case it decided to keep going down. And that's it. Sorry, tan line. Well, like, here's the fucking bull flag. Let me go to the hourly. Look at that shit. Oh my God. You see, guys? Here's the 4 hour. I mean, fucking beautiful. You see, guys? Broke out of that shit. There's the flagpole. You want to see my pole? Boom. Whoops. But I don't really trade shit like that. All I do is wait for fibs to play out. And then I guess my way in and I guess my way out. But you got to figure out what's the optimal setup for you personally, what you see the best. And that's the only thing you wait for. If you could see it and execute on it, and that's the thing for you, who gives a fuck about anything else? If it's not there, then you don't trade. For me, it's the fibs. Shit ain't happening. I had one little opportunity down here. It ain't happening. So I'm not going to fucking fuck with this shit. Look at this. Gold could fucking go up another 30 points for all we know. Who the fuck knows? What's the range right now? 71.33 minus 65.54. Almost 600 ticks. You only trade panty lines? No doubt. Yeah, and this was Nick. I mean, it was all fucking day. It didn't help. Well, it didn't hurt that it was fucking MLK Day. So this is Thursday. No, this is Sunday. Sorry, this is Sunday. We gap up when Sunday reopen on Sunday. We gap the fuck up, and then we pump, make a new all-time high, another new all-time high. Pull back, and then we just cucked around, which turned into a fucking flag. These are how many candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 4-hour candles. So a whole day of this range. This isn't a small range either. And then we just broke out of it just now. It could have went the other way too, obviously, right? I don't know. I don't think so. You want to short gold and then and then go potty, Rebby. But for me, I mean, this is untradeable for me. The shit just keeps fucking going up. Look at silver. So it's trying. Oh my god. Gold spot is at 47.05. This is fucking bananas. 47.0650. It's fucking crazy. Untradeable right now. Unless you just want to ride the trend up. Thank fucking God Monday and Tuesday are the same day for Apex. Adam, what up? Who's going to be the next funding ticks? Probably Prop Shop. I don't know, though. Tick Trader, they could go under. You can't even buy new accounts from them. They can't get new customers. Michael E., why do you think we went and took over Venezuela? It hasn't slowed down the fucking price of fucking gold and silver. Venezuela has the most oil reserves, I think, out of any fucking country. They also have the most gold reserves in South America. I gotta feed this old man dog. We're gonna go on a journey. We're gonna go to the southwest quadrant of the trailer. Yeah, the Golden Dome. They probably just want to be able to fake fucking Mars rover fucking expeditions more easier, and fucking moon landings easier, you know? Babe, don't let me show you. Where is it? Oh. Come on, buddy. You think he has to make? Come on. This fucking guy. Come on. I'm telling him to come on like he could hear me. He's fucking deaf. Come on, big boy. So right now I can't read the chat, Chad. So you were just gonna hang out. You're gonna have to watch me cut chicken and chickpeas. You come down. All right, he's coming now. Sorry, chat. Sorry, chat. Holy shit. This is what I'm talking about. This is what look at that fucking candle. We're at 47.20. That shit just went up 40 fucking ticks, and that's 4 points. 4 points in one fucking candle. You see, guys? Yeah, wow. Wait. Come on. Have to make sure the old man goes out. You see, guys? I had one fucking opportunity right here. I'm not fucking with this shit. Look, it just went fucking parabolic. 47, there it is, 47 fucking 20. Oh, man. What's Silva doing? Silva wants to fucking go too. Crazy, chat. You see that, chat? You see, guys? Now we might get a fucking pullback, right? And then now it might start fucking bouncing around where I could fucking trade some fibs, but I don't know. I'm running out of time anyway. My wife wants me off around 10 o'clock. I don't ever say no. She wants to watch TV. She just doesn't want to listen to me on the fucking stream at 10 o'clock at night. So I don't know. I might have to wait until tomorrow. Just because I didn't take a trade didn't mean I didn't trade, right? It doesn't mean I didn't trade. I did some charting, and I decided not. Oh boy, I decided not to enter into a position. Doesn't mean I didn't trade, right? It doesn't mean you don't have to be in a position to be trading. Showing some fucking self-control and not fucking chasing this shit is a form of trading, as far as I'm concerned. And if you hopped in, you hop back in here and you roll this up, or you've been riding this up for however long, kudos to you. For me personally, it's just not my style of trading. What a fucking move, though. Don't worry. I own gold. I own physical gold. So I'm trading just by holding that shit. I just got to find out. I got to find the coordinates of when it fell off my boat in Lake Mead, when I was digging for dead bodies, when I was hunting for dead bodies to get a reward. It's somewhere down there. Oh my God. Shit. What's Silva doing? Silva's waiting its turn. Fucking nuts. Fucking crazy. That's not enough. Fuck me. All right, here we go. Now shit's gonna get interesting. I'm hoping, at least. It is tricky to trade all-time highs though. We got the tan line right here. Let's see if it holds again. Let's see if it bounces off the tan line. Fucking crazy. Did you see that drop though? 228. It dropped 90 ticks. 90 ticks just like that in less than 3 candles. Look at this fucking guy. I don't know if you can see him. You might not be able to see him. Old man Withers over here. Double ear infection. This guy's all fucked up. He's still hanging tough though. What's NQ doing? Look, 707 bounce, came back down and retested and hit the 786 and bounced. Amazing. You see, guys? Just gotta wait for this fucking guy to go out. What's up, Bruno? Come here. What do you want? You were hoping for actual chicken? No, go make. Go make. Go ahead. She's gonna go lick his dish. Oops. Don't need an alert. Look, see that? Look what it just did. It came down almost 100 ticks. It came down 90 ticks, and then it fucking popped right back up. Is it going to make new all-time highs now, or is it going to just hang? Is this the spot? This is like fucking no go for me, man. I'm not touching this shit. And that's fine. You can't just keep going up all night, can it? I wonder if London will just wipe all of these gains out, or wipe out, 60 to 80% of these gains all the way into New York. This fucking TV's on. You see, guys, people leave the TV on and the lights on like they pay the electric bill. I love saying that shit. It's like one of my favorite things to say. As I turn off all the fucking lights. Whoa. Whoa. You see, guys? Happy wife, happy life, yeah. Timothy Chapo, what up? Dog Dad of the Year. Drewski, what's good? Rhythmic stopped working? Anybody else having that issue with Rhythmic? Let me check in the DCA gang, in the best community on these prop firm streets. If you guys aren't in it, you should join it. It's the fucking best community, hands down. It's free for now. Better than most paid Discords, if not all of them in this fucking space. Up, new high. Just made a new high. Up, new high. Fucking crazy. Could draw another tan line right here on a shorter time frame. Boom. This wick right here, this wick right there. TJP, what up? Anyone having rhythmic issues? By the way, you guys, I don't know if you guys know about that new the Lucid Black plans. If you wanted to check them out and grab one, you could get 40% off with the best code 0DayJ. They took away the pro plans, and then everybody was fucking up in arms about it, and they brought the pro plan back. So now you could buy a Flex, a Pro, or a Black, and a direct to funded too, for now at least. But everything else is 30% off. But Black is 40% off with the best code 0DayJ. Apex extended this deal right here until Thursday night at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. $35 resets, 80% off evals. The smaller size accounts at $39.20. The larger size accounts at $59.20. $65 lifetime activation fee. $120 on the smaller accounts, $125 on the larger accounts with the best fucking code 0DayJ. Take profit traders 40% off with no activation fee. Trade days 40% off with no activation fee. My Funded Futures has that 20% off the rapid plans. Those are like their daily payout plans. If you want to fuck with those, you could use my code. I might get credit for the sale, I might not, but use it anyway because it's good juju and has the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate according to the Prop Firm Streets. And then Bullinox is 83% off on option 1 with the same code 0DayJ, the best fucking code. TJP in the house. I'm getting ready to get off. Like, I can't trade this shit. I can trade this shit, but I'll probably lose money fucking with this shit. What's going to happen here? What's Silver doing? Oh, Silver gave it up. All right, be good, Mike Crotch. All right, be good, Shaman. There's no need to force a trade right now, unless this is something you look for, right? This type of, you know, market structure or candle structure or whatever type of fucking pattern you look for is this, then I get it. Maybe if it breaks this tan line, you play it short until it gets down to this tan line. That's not a bad idea, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that. NQ selling off. Oh yeah. Oh, it's coming back down here. This is the fib I drew earlier, from this low to this high. It bounced off the 618, went all the way up there, and now it's at the 786. Does it hold here or does it keep dropping? Is the $1 million question. Yeah, Michael E. Yeah, right now, Ming. Yeah, I need more up and down for me to fuck with gold. I just won't trade. Look, it came down to this tan line and is bouncing off. Is it going to go higher now? You see, look at this shit. It bounced off of this one from before and went up how many more ticks from there? 200. Yo, this shit went up 235 ticks from this bounce off of this tan line. Came back down to it, it wicked below it by like 10 ticks and bounced 235 fucking ticks. And then look what it just did here. Now, will it break it? I don't know. But it just bounced off of it. I don't fucking trust this shit. Carbonite, what up? You catching me towards the very end. I'm probably going to get off soon because I haven't been able to trade this shit. I had one opportunity with what I look for, and this shit was quick. All right, be good, Za. Doesn't mean I won't trade later. But right now, I don't know. This shit just, I don't know what the fuck is going on here. And even if it were to fall out of here, it's still fucking, it's moving so fast. I don't trust it. Trader J, what up? Uh-oh. So we broke this. Do you trust it enough to keep going, or is it just a wick below it? That's the thing. Even on like the short time frame right here now, this is like the 707. Oh, it's the 618. I don't know. This shit could go lower. I don't trust. I ain't fucking with this. Could just be another fucking flag just to go up another 15, 20 points. Who knows? But from here down to here is like 70, 80 ticks. Yeah, retest is 4,700 is nice. Let's watch. From the high, the all-time high as of right now, the high a day. This low right here, you're talking, you know, the golden shower pocket. 11 to 5, 47.11, 47.05. If I go even lower, I mean, I'd have to fucking go way down here. Maybe. You got this one right here. Oh, what the fuck? I fucked it up. Yeah, there it goes. I still don't like. I don't even care. Whatever. I'm not fucking chasing that shit. It's a fucking risk. It's a gamble. This shit could pop up right back up. But it looks like we're falling out of this tan line, below the tan line, and now this is the other support. If we break this, I mean, shit could get interesting. But look, that's 30 ticks right there. 40 ticks. I thought about going short and I fucking pussied out. So whatever. It's fine. It's fine, chat. I know, Michael. It's fucking crazy. That was a nice little drop there. For sure. Faux show. NQ still dropping. Is NQ just dumping right now? Yeah. See, it had a little bit. It had a little bit of support here and just kept fucking going. So now I got to find a new low. Like right there. That's interesting. It's either this one or this one. Nasty work. 439.75. It dropped 100 and it basically came back down to the low a day. Didn't quite touch it. Almost there. It might make a new low. What's gold doing? Cucking around. Now, if it comes back up here, is it going to reject off of this tan line? I don't know. All I know is I'm going to bounce because my fucking eyes are getting heavy. And I don't want to, I mean, that would have been a good opportunity. I'm not feeling this price action. When I wake up randomly at fucking 2 o'clock in the morning to take my dog out, to let him out, I'll look at the charts again. So with that said, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, all that good shit. You got to grab some accounts. Use the best code 0DayJ. Thanks for hanging out. Look at this. Look, I mean, it might make new highs. It might reject over here. Like, it's fucking crazy what's going on. So good luck trading tonight. All right, guys. Thanks so much for hanging out. Enjoy the rest of your night. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.